Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how the home loans or retail loans are linked to RLLR. So what is meant by RLLR? Repo linked lending rate. So from October 2019, so RBI announced whatever the loans like home loans or personal loans or car loans, everything should be linked to RLLR. So that means what whenever the RBI announces this RLLR, accordingly your loan interest rate should be changed. So every bank will have its own repo linked lending rate. So which will be keep varying each time whenever RBI announces reverse revises the repo rate. So it depends on the bank. So every bank will have its own RLLR. So if you take SBI, it has one RLLR, and if you take HDFC, it has different RLLR. So in today's video, mainly I'll focus on HDFC, how it is changing. So for the generally this RLLR will be reviewed by the RBI for every 2 months, and based on that it will decide whether the repo rate is increased or decreased. Based on that, banks will decide whether to reduce the interest rates or increase the interest rates of your loans. So what is meant by RLLR is the lending rate which is linked to the RBI's repo rate. So as I told you, every bi-monthly the repo rate is decided by the RBI. Based on that, your interest rate will depend. So however, each bank will have its RLLR. So each bank will have its interest rates based on RLLR, because based on your loan amount, also risk of the borrower. So it depends on the each bank. So SBI will have different value, and also HDFC will have different value. So for the same loan amount, if you are taken from the SBI or from the HDFC, the loan amount may be, interest rate may be different. So to explain, suppose RLLR is 6.5% as announced by the RBI, but actual home loan of any one of the bank is mentioned as 7.5%. That means here 1% is spread or margin of the bank. So the margin of the bank is 1%. So that profit is goes to the bank. So whatever the money borrowed from the RBI is 6.5%, but they are giving to the loan at 7.5% based on the risk of the borrower, and as well as what is the loan amount. If it is based on the 30 lakh and 40 lakh or 50 lakh, based on the loan amount also it depends, and also bank also it depends. So of which 1% is the spread, that is the margin or the profit for the banks. So here banks are free to fix margin. So that's why I told you each bank will have different margins. So SBI will have different margin, as well as HDFC will have different margin, that is the profit to the bank. Here whatever the example I have shown here, 1% is the margin. So here for HDFC, whenever the RBI revises repo rate, so the home loan interest rate also will change in HDFC, but they will publish in newspaper or website. Okay, so they are calling as adjustable rate home loans. As I told you, each bank will have their own interest rate variation according to the borrower risk, so and also margins. So each bank will have different interest rates. So in HDFC they are calling adjustable rate home loans. So here the repo rate, based on the repo rate revision, recently the HDFC announced that there is a 15 basis point reduction from April 22 2020. So that means there is a reduction of 15 basis points in our home loans. For that, there is a procedure. You need to apply for the bank. Then there is a nominal charge. With that nominal charge, your interest rate will be reduced by 15 basis points. So that I will show you in the next slide. So here I am showing the HDFC. Once you log into the HDFC loan customer login, then you can see here on the left side interest rates movements. So you can see what is the current interest rates and when the interest rate is going to revise. But I will show you there is a one more check. So once you log into the HDFC customer login, there is a request, and once you go to the request there is a conversion inquiry. So if you click on that, it will show. So here it will show whether you are allowed to inquire for spread or not. So here you are allowed to inquire for spread change. So what is the spread change based on available in risk of borrower? That means there is a different like based on the borrower as well as based on the loan amount. So risk of the borrower, the bank will change the interest rate. For this you need to inquire with the bank. For that you need to send a mail to HDFC customer care. Once you send the mail to customer care, so based on the your risk of the borrower, based on your risk, then they will decide what interest rate they can change. So as I told you, there is a change of interest rate. So they already published that 15 basis point they will reduce, that is sure. So for that you need to contact with the bank and you need to check whether you are eligible or not. So this is based on my experience. I'm making this video, but better to contact your bank whether you are eligible or not. So once any home loan interest change is published in the newspaper or website, then you go to the bank and check with the bank whether you are eligible for that interest loan reduction or not. So you can just write a mail whether you are eligible to reduction of the home loan. So once you send a mail to customer care, they will reply back whether you are eligible or not. If you are eligible, they will ask you to pay a nominal amount. So once you pay the nominal amount, then from the next month onwards, then they will reduce the interest rates according to the ARHL, as I told you, adjustable home loan rates. So this is based on my experience and my knowledge. I am making this video. Please consult your corresponding bank and then inquire about whatever the loan interest rate eligible for you. So please consult your financial advisor for anything. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.